What are you doing tonight? Unit 10.2. Recipe. List of food and a set of instructions which tell you how to cook the food. Email. Hi Kayla, how are you? What are you doing tonight? I'm making dinner for me and Jillian. New Italian recipe. Want to join us? Mia. Answer these questions. Who has invited Kayla? Why has she invited Kayla? Who will be at dinner tonight? Hi Mia, not a good day. Lots of problems at work, but I would love to join you. Text me later. Kayla. Why is Mia unhappy? Is she going to dinner tonight at Mia's house? What is Kayla going to do? Write an email to your friend. Greet him. Invite him for lunch. Tell him what food you're going to serve. Say the time and place. End the mail. Write a reply to your friend's mail. Greet him. Thank him for the invite. Apologize for not coming. Tell the reason. End the mail.